Am I the only one that didn't know our planet has volcanoes so massive they could swallow cities whole? First up, Mauna Loa in Hawaii, stretching over 13,000 feet above sea level and another 16,000 feet below, it's like an upside-down ice cream cone. Imagine standing on its peak, knowing you're on the largest volcano in the world. Next, we have Tamu Massif. Located underwater in the Pacific Ocean, it's as big as New Mexico. Yeah, you heard that right. A whole state's worth of volcano hidden beneath the waves. Then there's Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. It's not just a volcano, it's Africa's tallest peak. Climbing it is like stepping into different worlds, from lush forests to icy glaciers. Next, Mount Etna in Sicily. This fiery giant has been erupting for 500,000 years. Locals call it Monte Bello, which means beautiful mountain. And let's not forget Mount Vesuvius in Italy, famous for its catastrophic eruption in 79 AD that buried the city of Pompeii. Today, it looms over Naples, a constant reminder of nature's power. Finally, Mount St. Helens in Washington. Its 1980 eruption was one of the most significant volcanic events in US history. The landscape was forever changed, creating a massive crater. So next time you feel like exploring, remember, the world's largest volcanoes are waiting to blow your mind.